Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make your account on Twitter on public. First of all, and of course, you'll need a Twitter application on your phone. So if you don't have that, just go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, or even App Store if you're using an iPhone. Or if you do have another store maybe, just go and download it through that store. Then all you need to do, just go and sign in to create your account. If you already have an account, ignore all of that, log into your account, and let's get straight to it. So let's just open or launch Twitter. And as we said, we want to make our profile public. So let's just go and click at our icon at the top left corner. And here, all you need to do, just scroll down until you find this settings and privacy. Here, as you can see, all you need to do, just go and click at privacy and safety. Of course, if you didn't find that, just go to search settings and type privacy and safety and you will find it here. So just go and click on that here. Then all you need to do, just go and click at audience and tagging. Here you have an option called protect your tweets. Only current followers and people you approve in the future will be able to see your tweets. So if you have that on, as you can see, if you go back and go to your profile, you will have like a lock icon. It will be on the right of your name. That means your account on private. If you don't have that, your account is already public. But if you do have that and you want to make it public, all you need to do, as we said, just go back to your settings and privacy, then click at the privacy and safety again. Then all you need to do, of course, audience and tagging. And here, just turn off this protect your tweets. Go back then. And if you go to your profile, you'll not find, wait, let me just refresh. As you can see, you'll not find this lock icon at the right of your name because your Twitter or your account is not private anymore. So that will be for the video, guys. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.